Project baselines are an enterprise-level feature that allow you to see where a project is today against where it was at a previous point in time. This is especially useful when a project timeline shifts, workload changes, or expenses increase. Baselines give you a saved reference point so you can review what changed while the project is active or look back during a post-project review. To access baselines, navigate to the Projects module, select a project, and go to the Baseline tab in the project tray. Administrators and managers can create a baseline at any time by clicking Create Baseline at the top of the tray. Workzone will also automatically create a baseline when the first task in a project is marked complete or when the first time or expense entry is added. Each baseline captures important project data, including project and task duration, workload, planned time, expense budgets, actual time, and actual expenses. Multiple baselines can be saved, and each one shows when it was created and who created it. To review a baseline, click Analyze. At the top, you'll see a project overview showing schedule slip, workload variance, actual time, budget variance, and actual expenses. Increases appear in red, while decreases appear in green, making it easy to spot major changes quickly. Below that, the task timeline shows tasks whose dates or durations have changed. Gray bars represent the original baseline schedule, while blue bars show the current schedule. Next, planned workload by task compares the original workload values against the current workload values. Finally, top task changes highlight the tasks with the largest duration or workload differences, with an expandable list of additional changes. With project baselines, teams can better understand how project plans changed over time, identify where work shifted, and make more informed decisions moving forward.